Alright guys, in this particular video I'm going to simply show you how you can increase your Adsterra RPM, and all you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to show you step-by-step guide of how to do it and how you can actually get this. Alright, so if you're new to Adstera, you might be asking yourself, what is Adstera? Adstera is a global ad network that serves display ads, pop under social bar, native ad to blogs. Alright, so this works both on your blog, on your landing page, and also on your social media platforms. Alright, but the best I recommend you go for is having a blog for this. Alright, because you're going to simply be building your audience and also have a brand for yourself. Right, RPM simply means revenue per 1,000 impression. Okay, so the tendency of you increasing it and decreasing it depends on the strategy you're going to simply follow. So in this very video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to go about this. Alright, for instance, if you head over to my blog website, you're going to see some advertisements, and most of these ads are coming from Adstera. Okay, that's basically how a blog is being monetized. Okay, and you write content, you educate people on your blog website, and also you share information on your blog website. By so doing, you are building a brand for yourself. So the first strategy and the first step of getting your RPM increased is to first of all choose your niche. Okay, so the best niche I recommend you go for is to go for finance niche. Under finance niche, you can talk about crypto, you can talk about PayPal, you can talk about cards, you can talk about businesses, finance, personal finance, and all of that. Okay, so those are the niches that can actually help you. Okay, so the second niche is the entertainment niche. Under entertainment, you can talk about movie reviews, viral news, and lot more. Maybe to the celebrity, you can add celebrity niche as your category as well under the finance niche. Okay, so the third niche, you can go for tech reviews, you can go for AI tools, you can go for AI tools, softwares, application reviews, you can go for software reviews, and lot more. Okay, so the best strategy to combine all of this stuff is to have a category. Okay, for instance, if you head over to my blog website, I have a lot of blog websites on several niche. This particular website is the one that talks about the niche that I'm onto on YouTube. Alright, that's why I normally use this one, so that you learn how it works and how you can also implement this on your own blog. Okay, for instance, if you head over to my blog, you're going to see we have several categories right here. We have business, we have technology, we have cryptocurrency, education, and sponsored posts. Alright, this sponsored post right here is not actually a category. It's just a category to show you that brands are already paying this website to publish their post. Okay, so a brand can actually contact you, pay you money, then you publish their content on your blog. Alright, that's basically how it works. Another niche that you can actually pay close attention to is the freebie niche and also download guide. Alright, after choosing your niche, so the next strategy under this step one is to make sure you find a tool that can actually give you topic that you can talk about on your specific niche. Alright, for instance, if you decide to go with finance, which is under crypto, PayPal, and card, MasterCard, and a lot of that, if you decide to go for that, you can use tools like Google Trends or explodingtopics.com. right, okay. And this one right here is also going to simply help you to know what people are searching for on Google, on Bing, on YouTube, on social media, and lots more. Right, and it's going to simply give you the search volume, the amount of traffic that this particular keyword or topic is getting. Okay, so if you can get all of those things, it is going to simply help you a lot. So all you need to do is to head over to this very website, scroll down a little bit. So all you need to do is simply come over to this section right here, select the year you want, then you select the category you want to focus on. Let's see, if you want to go for AI, beauty, design, a lot more, you're going to simply select that from here. Okay, you're going to see a lot of topics that are trending currently. Okay, so you can show why this one has 27,000 search volume, this one has 590 search volume. Forget about that one. You can see why this one has a lot of search volume. Right, you can see 165,000 search volume. You can simply go ahead and check this. You click on that, it's going to simply elaborate more about this particular keyword. Okay, so you need to do out now, simply go ahead and evaluate that with SEMrush. Okay, just click on the keyword magic tool right here, then it's going to simply prompt you to this very page where you can simply see all the metrics about this particular stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and add our keyword. So this is the keyword right here we are targeting. I'm going to simply copy this. Let's see what it's talking about. All right, then paste this stuff right here, then select the country you want to target. Let's say United States. Remember, if you're targeting a Taiwan country, it is going to simply help you a lot to increase your RPM on Adstera, Montag, in any ad network. Okay, because this one right here, this country has a high buying power. All right, so if you click on this right here, click on the search button, and it's going to simply take you to this very section where you're going to see every details about this particular keyword. Okay, and this is what you need for you to increase your RPM. So you can show here the search volume is not really high, the intent is commercial, which means people that are searching for this are here want to buy. Okay, they want to buy, they have the money. Okay? So that's why you're seeing the high CPM stuff right here. Okay, if you don't want to go with that one, you can simply go back then go back to this very section right here. You're going to see other stuff that are also trending. Wi-Fi 7 router, we have the Slang AI, we have lots of them. Okay, with that high traffic, you can actually niche down and get a better traffic coming onto your website. So let's just go ahead and make use of our own. For instance, I've already selected my niche, and my niche is all about downloads. Maybe let's say I want to go with the download segment right here, and I have to simply go ahead and type in downloads right here. Okay, so if I click on this download button right now, it's going to simply take me to all of the stuff that you can see. They have good traffic, the keyword density, which is 20, which is cool. If you see green color, that means the competition is not really high. What I mean by competition, if you're new to blogging, is the number of people that have written about this topic are not really much. Okay, that's what I mean by competition. Okay, for instance, if this one has high traffic, you just have to make sure you go ahead and copy this right here. Let's say I copy this, select this, then click on the copy button. Select this, then click on the copy button. When you copy that, go over to your browser and search for that and see related keywords about that particular stuff. All right, so let's say I want to search from this to this very section. Okay, then if I hit on the search button, you're going to see the stuff that are popping up, but they're not really search intent stuff. All right, but I have to do is simply go ahead and scroll down here. You can see we have people also search for. This is what you have to simply target. Okay, because if you have a particular keyword doing very well, there are other things under it that most people are not paying attention to. Okay, so if you pay attention to this for this stuff right here, it is going to simply help you by copying all of them, then go over to ChatGPT and then you tell ChatGPT to give you high click-through rate topics or content titles about all of this stuff, all of these keywords right here. Okay, they make content about them, then you're going to simply see your traffic growing up. Because this topic I very much search on Google from Taiwan countries, then your RPM is going to simply be doing well. All right, so after gathering all your keywords you want to write about, the next strategy is to simply go ahead and get a blog website for yourself. Go ahead and get a developer that will develop your website. So if you don't have a developer, you can simply go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel. My team are going to simply build your website and also monetize your website. Okay, so you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get a developer, get your website fully developed and monetize. All right, the next strategy is to start publishing content. So if my team are building your website, they're going to simply integrate an AI that writes content for you, which means you don't have to be writing that. When you go over to your blog website, just locate the AI content creator on your blog website, which my team have already integrated. When you locate that, the next thing you have to do is simply go over to this section right here, then select the type of post you want to write on your blog. All right, so click on this. I have to simply select post. It has already been selected already. Then the tone of voice, you have to simply select either natural or friendly. Okay, then the content length, make sure you select high content, like long content. Okay, so the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and talk about what you want to write right here. Okay, so they ask you here, what is your content about, and then talk about this. You paste it right here, then top best, let's say top 10. You can add comma if you want to add other topics that are related to that. For instance, when we search on Google, we saw all of this stuff right here. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and copy this, then go back to your blog, give it to the AI to write as well. Okay, you can see the color has already changed, which means they said here you are good to go, but you can share more details for better result. Okay, so if you have a lot of keywords to talk about, you can simply add that here. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this stuff right here, because you're going to simply add it here as well. Okay, you can decide to add it here or you leave it the way it is. Okay, remember the AI is going to simply try as much as possible to write an SEO optimized content for you, but you can actually go ahead and edit it. Make sure you read through it and make sure you edit it very well so that you can simply educate people. Just add your own voice right there. Tell people, okay, in my own experience, I use this particular app, then I was able to download this. Then you add a screenshot of what you downloaded from the app. Okay, just go ahead and click on this create content, and this is going to simply start creating the content for you. Okay, that's basically how this works. So let's give it a while to create the content for us, and we're going to simply install another plugin. If you're getting value from this very video, just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to comment where you're watching from on the comment section. Okay, so you can show here the AI has already given us all we need. You can see this is the meta description, which is cool. This is the keyword right here. You can show here these are the topics right here. You can show here we have the AI generated images. Then go ahead and click on this edit as draft. After clicking the draft button, you go over to your plugins right here, search for these plugins. Let's say we want to search for instant. instant image. This is it right here. Click on this install button. Just activate all of these plugins you've already installed. Okay, just activate all of them. You can show here all of them has been activated. Click on this post button. Click on all posts. All right, then select that particular post you've already added right now. Click on this edit post. All right, so this is how it is going to simply look like. Okay, so delete all of this stuff right here. So I'm going to simply make changes to this particular post. After making the changes, I'm going to simply come back to this very video. Remember, you have to also edit your own content if it is generated from AI. So after editing that, you come back to this post, add some images to this particular post. All right, then click on this add image. Remember, we installed a plugin, and that plugin will lead you to this very section. All right, so if your post doesn't have a featured image, you can simply come back here, download this instant images plugin. Then this plugin is going to simply give you copyright free images from Unsplash. You know, all of these websites are copyright free images. That's what they produce. We have the OpenVice, we have the Pixabay, Pexel, Jiffy, and a lot more. Okay, so select Pixabay. That's the one I like so much. And since you're talking about YouTube, simply type in YouTube right here, and it's going to simply give you images about YouTube. All right, so close this, allow this to open. You can see we have good images from YouTube right here. So I have to simply go ahead and select this one. I like this one. And then once you select that, make sure you add the alternate text. The alternate text should be about what you're talking about the blog content, about the keyword you're writing about. Okay, so the title right here, powered by this, just forget about this. Okay, so I can simply give them credit. Just insert it on your blog content, make it at the middle, let it be at the middle. Okay, just do the same for most of this stuff right here, but just do the same for all of this stuff so that your content will have good graphic. After making all your changes, click on this publish button, and your post is going to simply go live on your blog website. Okay, that's basically how it works. Okay, so let's go ahead and view the website right now. This is the post we just made right now. Just click on open. You can see the blog post right here. So remember, if my team are building your website, they're going to simply add the ad. Okay, so I'm going to simply show you the best ad format that can easily go for, and it's going to simply help you a lot to increase your RPM. Okay, when you go to your Adstera account, for you to get higher CPM, go over to this section that says website. Under your website, you're going to see a lot of ad unit available for you. Okay, so on this section, you can see we have the pop under, we have the native ad, we have the banner, we have the social bar, we have the direct link. Okay, so the one I recommend you go for, and also will not chase your visitors out from your website, is the native banner, number one, and also the banner and social bar. All right, so under the banner, you're going to see we have a lot of banners right here. The one I recommend you go for is the banner 460 times 60. Okay, so once you hit on that, click on this create button, and this particular website is going to simply be monetized with that. Okay, so these are the ads format that you can simply go for, and it's going to simply help you increase your RPM. Okay, so if my team are building your website, they will also integrate all of this ad format on your website, so that once you start publishing your content, then people start reading it, then your impression will start growing and your RPM will also grow. That's basically how it works. All right, after publishing your content and monetizing your blog website, the next strategy is to start pushing traffic to your website. Okay, so the best traffic sources that you can actually use to get traffic to your website are these ones right here. You can use Pinterest. Under the Reddit section, you can simply go ahead and make some posts about your blog. With Medium, you can also do this. It's write a small portion of your blog, then add the read more link, which is going to simply redirect people from your Medium account to your main blog post. Okay, you can simply publish your blog on X. You can publish on your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group. All right, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and watch this video right here. This video is going to simply teach you about funnel based blogging. All right, the more traffic you have on your blog website, the more your RPM and your revenue increase on your blog. All right, that's basically how it works. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel. See you in the next video.